Hello, my name is Keith Leonard, and I am so excited to be joining Fiberside Chats on March 1st. I am a knitwear finisher. I own a yarn company, and I've been a knit and crochet instructor for 16 years. And along the way, I've gathered so many tips and tricks that I am so excited to share with you. Is the first stitch of your knitting loose, especially maybe when we're doing magic loop or working on double pointed needles? We're gonna fix that. If a pattern says to bind off in pattern, are you casting on in pattern? Are we still using make one increases? What's the absolute best bind off for garter stitch? Another one I'm gonna show you is, you see when we bind off in the round, how one end is higher? We're gonna get that to line up perfectly. I'm gonna teach you how to translate any pattern from wrap and turns to German short rows. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna be taking questions. I can't wait to see you and hear from you, and thank you for having me.